I've decided I need to start increasing my output of videos. And to start with that, we're going to be in the garage doing something hopefully interesting. You've already seen the thumbnail and title of this video, so let's get into it. As I previously stated, you already know what's happening. We're going to be trying to revive this hard drive I picked up from, it was like a garage sale and you can fill a box for $5. I think I've already talked about that. But you can see the hard drive has been hit with a hammer a few times. Hopefully prevent somebody from accessing it. I don't know why they would donate this instead of throwing it out. So I guess we can try to crack it open. And obviously the most sanitary place, right here on the garage floor, filled with cat litter from an oil spill. I guess we'll get into it and crack it open now. Of course, there's a hidden screw underneath the spot. Now we can remove the top and see that the hard drive platter actually looks perfectly fine. So I guess we'll just put it back together and go test it. I should have done that to begin with. I don't care. That one's not going in. It's all together. Now we can go inside and see if this thing actually works. We're back inside. You can see this is my Mac Pro. Yes, we'll take the side off and install this hard drive. As you would expect, the hard drive didn't show up. I had a message show up briefly that said the drive wasn't initialized or something. I think it actually said the drive couldn't be read. But now you can see there's nothing in my disk utility. So I think the drive is actually broken. I'm not sure if this was due to me taking it apart or due to the actual drive being hit by a hammer. If you don't believe that the hard drive is dead, well, here's how it sounds. Now that we know this hard drive is completely dead, I'm going to take it apart. Here's what I wanted from the hard drive. It's a magnet. The way you get a magnet out is just by prying it out. It's just held in with its own force. With a flathead screwdriver, I should just be able to pry it out of here. Yeah. Oh, this is a tiny hard drive magnet. Usually you get magnets that are like this big. This one's absolutely tiny compared to the other ones. There's also a second magnet underneath. Some hard drives don't have these. They'll just have the one big one. But this one, I guess, had two small ones. Now I'll take out the second magnet. It somehow seems to be still attached. Oh, no, it was just kind of stuck. So here's what I got out of the hard drive. 2 neodymium magnets. I guess that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.